Abusana penso ama wache ama wo akwaba wo hwen wa Dom TV sanso otienka asempa 94.7 FM. Bidi the Chief Jerry Forson. Yawada November bosomia etoso dumienu ebekọ oman ya bakwasemu as one day oman nyina edrusum. Essentially say omanpani a odikan ewo Ghana amembuo 4th Republic ni mu utwanani ehweban. His Excellency Flight Lieutenant Retired Jerry John Rawlings Hwasem na making na yebisa se wano ni nipa ben a yewo no 22nd June 1947 ne maame Victoria Agbotui efri Jelukope wo from Mantem na ne papa James Ramsey John ono so na oye chemist a ofi Castle Douglas Kekus Brightshire wo Scotland na se oye bronifita o she in school ase wo Achimota School ansana woto aso akọ Achimota College oho na wokonya the certificate in education O level ewo afe 1966 emu owie school 1967 na o join Ghana Air Force enumu 1967 wha na ko enlistment as a flight cadet ewo Ghana Air Force training school ewo Teshinungwa ewo Enkran ha Busumi atosumi ensa 1968 ene ye post 2 no edine call Takrade se wonko toa na disua so January 1969 ena owie na disua nyina owie ya pe ena onya adwuma edikan kra se commissioned pilot officer ewo Ghana Air Force ekuo no emu 1977 ena woware Nana Kunadu a one no ehyiae abra na omoko school ewo Achimota sa abakosemi yebeto aso but yenko nkohwe ensem bi a omampani a ende Nyankopon aton sa frɛ no Flight Lieutenant Jerry John Rawlings kind public speeches na yemfa enkan kakra midin the Chief Jerry Forson na wotwi amo akwaba.
Let's come together to build this country. Thank you very much.
I need to see me and Papa. Me and Papa Susu. In spite of all these, but she's getting too fair. And yet.
Let's also look at his response to a daughter. What do you make of that?
He is my father. Like I said earlier, my father died at the age of 47, and in 1979 I was in secondary school Form 4, and he's one of those who have made me who I am. He took care of me.
Is Anita is also bleaching?
She's not bleaching.
Number of churches, all in the name of God. And goodness and the goodness of God. And we still find people so badly impoverished that they still cannot drink clean water. I think it's a serious indictment on us. I see it as a reflection of that selfishness in humanity or in some of us, our greed. So for me, it really comes as no surprise when our people can't take it anymore and are moving up north by any means through the desert, attempting to cross the Mediterranean. The white man who brought the Bible into my country, your continent, the Muslim who brought whatever it is, he's the same person who has gone and invented the lie detector test, the chemical interrogation test. I would dare you to go and line up some of your finest policemen, some of your finest heads, some of your finest, judges. Make any allegations against me, you included. Whatever questions you want to ask, take me through a chemical interrogation. I will be the one who will pass. I wonder how many of you will pass. You know something, Chief? If we can learn to be bold enough to restore the value of truth in our society, then we will have justice. Without truth, we cannot get justice. People like to make all kinds of claims about Rawlings that he didn't want to hand over. Absolute rubbish. I will use this occasion to tell them something that they never imagined. Had we, any one of us, dared to suggest that we're going to stay on for one more day, we would have lost the complete support of the masses. Christianize me if you may, but don't try to Europeanize me.
Bleu,